This is a nightmare. It's like a nightmare on Elm Street. All right, it's raining and miserable today. And today is the last day of November. So guys, if you know anything about my channel, you know I've been putting this beard on for the entire month of November for No Shave November. And now I have to make the decision. Do I shave it or do I keep it? Leave a comment below, guys. Let me know what you think. Should I shave it all off? Should I go with a goatee? Should I do the Juan Valdez? Or should I just get out of the rain? All right, guys, leave your comments. And maybe this Sunday we'll have a new style. Or maybe we'll still have the beard. But we're looking at 30 days of growth. And I kind of like it. So what do you think? Keep the beard or shave it off?
Shave it off.
Shave it off. We have one vote for shave it off.
It looks good both ways. I just like.
All right, say goodbye. Bye. Should I go bald head? No. All right, keep pushing play, y'all.